Tired of AI results that don't look like your brand? Claude now has a design agent called Claude Design, which can take your entire brand, learn it, and then build branded designs from your assets. No more generic AI graphics. Using this as a design tool can really speed up your workflow. In this video, I'm going to show you how Claude Design actually makes branded assets. The key difference is the design system it makes, which it builds from the assets you give it. You tell it the rules once, and it keeps them across every design it creates. Then we'll jump straight into the builds. Let's get to it. To help Claude Design make your design system, you upload your brand assets. And the cool part is there's a bunch of ways to do it. You can drop in your code, paste a URL to your website, upload a PDF of your brand guide, or even bring in Figma files. It'll also ask you some questions about what your product actually does. Or if you give it a URL, it'll learn from it. So it's not just brand aware, it's content aware too. And that's the part that really matters, because now when you ask for a landing page or a diagram, it already knows the story you're telling. So the copy and the layout fit your product, which gives context to your designs. Sure, answering a couple questions takes a minute, but it saves you way more time on every single project after that. Let me show you what I mean. I asked Claude Design to come up with an animation for my app, TubeLab. First, it asked questions to make sure it knew what I was looking for. Then, the next minute I know, it built a cool animation applying my brand fonts, colors, and elements from the design system it built. And I didn't have to give it any information about my app. It knew what feature to highlight. Plus, it's easy to tweak if I need to. Next up, presentations and diagrams. I asked for a slide deck, and Claude Design laid out a full presentation of slides that actually looked designed, not like a template. It even built slides showing my app's features since it already knew them. Same with diagrams. I asked it to come up with some diagrams and charts explaining my app's features, and it gave me clean designs using my brand styling. These are the design tasks nobody wants to do, and it just handles them. And the designs held up without me having to rebuild them from scratch. And that's honestly rare, because most of the time, I'm spending more time fixing the AI output than it would have taken to just do it myself in the first place. Now for the landing page, I asked Claude Design to create a few wireframe options. It gave me different layouts with similar elements. Then it turned that into a fully rendered design, including a hero with my animation in it, different sections with buttons, all styled with my brand. So you can go from a rough idea to a real design you can actually react to without ever opening a design tool. And it doesn't stop at desktop. I asked for a mobile version of the landing page, and it modified the desktop version while still sticking to the design system. The best part, it gave me an interactive prototype, something you can actually click through, not just a static mockup. That's a huge deal for trying out ideas fast. So that's Claude Design. You upload your brand assets, and it builds a design system from them. It can create animations, presentations, diagrams, landing pages, and a lot more. What it creates is on brand and actually usable. If you've been frustrated with generic AI output, this is the fix. Go upload your brand and try building something. And if you're a creator, check out tubelab.app, where you get smarter insights for your YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.